In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to log into WhatsApp web from your phone. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser and navigate to the website WhatsApp web. You will be directed to this page. Since WhatsApp web does not load properly on mobile view, tap three dots. Now over here, you're going to find different options. Select the option Request Desktop Site. This option is only available in Chrome and most other browsers. Now you'll see a QR code on the screen. You have two ways to log in. Scan the QR code using WhatsApp on another device or tap on login with phone number just below the QR code. If you don't have another device connected to your WhatsApp, tap login with phone number, enter your number, tap next, and then enter your password or verification code. Once you have verified your number, you'll be logged in. And that's it. This is how you can easily log into WhatsApp web on a phone. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.